students, welcome to St. Michael's e-learning classes. This is your English class and we had completed second chapter last day, and today we will start a new chapter. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together, written by Jordan Cook and Alan East. Students, we all are caught in adverse situation. Life is not a bed of roses. We can't say that every day we face good things only. We face adverse situations, and sometimes we find ourselves caught in a situation that we are not finding the way to come out from that situation. Sometimes we face failure. Sometimes we find that we are surrounded with negativity. What we can do? We have to gather all our strength. We should not lose ray of hope. We should not lose our hope, and we should have to faith that the ray of hope will come. We have to keep it in our mind again and again. We have to repeat it in our heart that the day will be brighter again and the night is followed by a new day. And if we manage the things togetherly, if we fight with the situation togetherly, certainly we will tackle, we will manage, and we will excel. So here the chapter is about a family, a 37 years old businessman, his wife, his two kids. The husband and the wife, they dream of sea voyage. They just wanted to have seafaring, and for that they worked almost for 3 years. They just wanted to copy James Cook, who did some 100 years ago, and that's why they just skilled themselves. They put all their effort in order to gain their confidence, and finally they started their sea voyage. What happened? They faced challenges, and here the chapter is about it only, that how did they face challenge and how did they face adverse situation, and finally they conquered. It's about you only, you also children. You learn and you can apply it in your own life also. You just see, we will start from here. In July 1976, my wife Mary, the writer is telling, son Jonathan is 6, daughter Suzanne is 7, and I set sail from Plymouth, England, to duplicate means to copy the round the world voyage meant previously I had told 100 years, it's 200 years earlier by Captain James Cook. So they had in their heart that they will follow Captain James Cook, who had made round the world voyage some 200 years ago. They just started with the whole family. Had dreamt of sailing in the wake of famous explorer, and for the past 16 years we had spent all our leisure time honing our seafaring skills in British water. So British water, it means water bodies like sea. Probably they had gone and they had honing our seafaring skills. It means made effort to make them more and more skilled in seafaring. It means समुद्र में यात्रा करने के लिए अपने आप को पूरी तरह से पारंगित करने की एफर्ट उन्होंने लगाई, and finally they were ready to start for that voyage. So the family of 37 years old businessman, his wife Mary, and these children Jonathan and Suzanne, finally they were ready to copy Captain James Cook. Now you see what happened. Our boat, Wave Walker, the name of the boat is Wave Walker, a 23-meter, 30-ton wooden old beauty. So it was made up of wood, had been professionally built. So it was professionally built. It means they have to work with it for long term. That's why everything while preparing that they had kept everything, every hook and loop in their mind. And we had spent months fitting it out and testing it in the roughest weather we could find. So they had tested it for so many times in rough weather also. They just wanted to know if it is able to work in rough weather, and that's why different parts of Britain they had gone and they just enjoy seafaring also on their wave walker just to know that is it working in rough weather, and finally they found that they were succeeded, it was working. The first leg of our plan, 3 years. 3 years, almost for 3 years they had started their journey. 1,05,000 kilometers journey passed pleasantly as we sailed down the west coast of Africa to Cape Town. So they had started their journey and they found it was, at the beginning they found it was very pleasant. There, before heading east, we took on two crewmen who were there to help by sailing, American Larry Wiesel and Swiss Herb Caesar, to help us tackle one of the world's roughest sea, the Southern Indian Ocean. So finally they started their voyage in the Southern Indian Ocean, and with them who were the crew members, कौन थे जो उनके साथ जो वेव वॉकर जो था उसे चलाने वाले थे? American person Larry Wiesel and Swiss person Herb Caesar. So they started their journey. What happened? You see, with family and two crew members, the businessman he started the journey. On our second day out of Cape Town, we began to encounter. Now they started facing strong gales, strong winds. For the next few weeks, they blew continuously and the winds were passing continuously, blowing continuously. Gales did not worry me, but he was not afraid because he has furnished himself, he has skilled himself in that profession. But the size of waves were alarming. The size of waves was alarming. But because of the gales, because of the wind, high blowing wind, the waves that the waves that were arising, they were certainly alarming and dangerous. Up to 15 meters, you can imagine, as high as our main mast. Mast means what? It is your homework for today, the word mast. So, now they are on the way, they met with waves, they met with wind, and the wind that was creating wave in sea, it was really alarming up to 15 meters, and they were afraid now. Now he was getting afraid. Now you see, December 25 found us 3,500 kilometers east of Cape Town. So on 25th December, they were just there east of Cape Town. 3,500 kilometers east of Cape Town. Despite atrocious weather. What do you mean by atrocious weather? Atrocious means unpleasant weather. We had a wonderful holiday complete with a Christmas tree. So it was Christmas time, 25th December, and although the weather was not so pleasant, it was a bad weather, but in spite of it, they were having the celebration of Christmas with Christmas tree, New Year's Day shop. So no improvement in the weather. And on New Year Day also they didn't find any improvement in the weather. They were expecting that they will be clear in sunny or favorable weather, they will sail. But they found the situation is becoming strange, or we can say bad. But we reasoned that it had to change soon, and they were expecting that the day will be clear. They were expecting that the weather will be changed, it will be pleasant, and it did change for the worse. So the weather changed. But what happened? Was it pleasant? No, it was not pleasant. It was becoming worse. Now they had to face challenges, and how they are facing challenges we will know in the next class. Thank you, students.